Hello guys, I Somesh Jinga once again welcome you on behalf of Commerce 247. Hope you all are good and fine and preparations are going well. So moving towards the lecture, let us discuss about the objectives of the business. Every business is carried forward for the purpose of some specific objective. Whenever we open a business and try to start a business, then we have to establish some specific objectives. So, what are these objectives? The purpose for which the business is established and carried on are called as objective. तो कोई भी पर्पस जिसके लिए बिजनेस हमने एस्टेब्लिश किया है या फिर हम उस बिजनेस को रन कर रहे हैं, that are called as objectives of the business. Now moving forward, whenever we decide the objectives, there should be proper selection of the objectives. Unless and until we decide the proper objectives of the business, we are unable to achieve it. So the proper selection of objectives is necessary for the successful business. So what are these objectives? Objectives are the end result for which the business is established and carried forward. So moving forward towards the types of objectives, we are having two types of objective. One is economic objective, another one is social objective. First one is economic objective. As we all know, business is an economic activity in which the transactions related to money take place. So when anything is an economic activity, then there are certain economic objectives. So simply, if business is the economic activity, there are certain objectives related to the money. These objectives are called as economic objectives. When we talk about the economic objectives, the first one is earning profit. Since the main motive of the business is to earn profit, as we already discussed, each and every business is the economic activity, and the main purpose of every business is to earn the profit. What is profit? Profit is the excess of income over expenditure. जो भी बिजनेस की एक्स्ट्रा इनकम है अपने खर्चों को काट करके वो उसका क्या है? प्रॉफिट है. So the main purpose of the business is to earn the profit. The second one is market standing. Market standing means to stand in the market for a longer period of time. A business can stand in the market for a longer period of time only by the customer satisfaction. If the customer is satisfied, then only the business can stand in the market for the longer period of time. The third economic objective is innovation. So this term is very much familiar to you people also. What is innovation? Innovation means to introduce something or to add on something in the old thing. If the photocopy machine is available, but due to the technological advancement, new photocopy machine is developed, that is called as innovation. Earlier, the photocopy machine speed is 1 page per minute, but nowadays its speed is 100 pages per minute. So that is just because of innovation. So innovation means to add something or to innovate something. Whenever the business innovates something, either it is any idea, any technology, or any product, then only they can earn the extra profit, because the innovative products can easily be sold out in the market at the higher rate. Next is optimum utilization of resources. Remember this, for operating the business, we are having the limited resources. We have to operate the business in that limited resources only. So we have to focus on the 4M. What are these 4M? 4M includes material, money, machinery and man. These are the 4M which are to be used for the successful running of the business. So what happens? we have to utilize these resources in a proper manner because these resources are scarce in nature. इन resources की कमी है, इनकी कमी होते के चलते हमें इनको क्या करना था, properly use करना होता है so that the business can run successfully. The last economic objective is improving productivity. Remember this, each and every business wants to grow. Together with the survival, it is necessary for the business person to grow. And for the growth of the business, improvement in the productivity is necessary. Once the production capacity of the business increases, the sale of the commodity of the business increases, then what happens? The business will automatically earn the profit and result into the growth of the business. So these are the 5 economic objectives. Moving forward towards the social objective of the business. Moving forward towards the social objective of the business. So each and every business is to run from the society only. कोई भी business कहाँ से चलता है? Society से. It generate the resources from the society and sold out the ultimate product into society only. What happens? Every business take the resources from the society and sold the ultimate product in the society only. So there are certain objectives of the business towards the society. As we all know, whenever we visit the market, we always like the quality product. So the first social objective of the business is to provide quality product at fair price. This product and services should be available by the business person at fair price. The business person should not compromise with the quality of the product. Basically, if the quality is bad, it will ultimately harm to the consumer and to the society. Second one is avoid anti-social and unfair trade practices. What happens? Some activities of the business are anti-social. You all are familiar with the sale of whitener. Some people use whitener as a drug. That is why selling of whitener without asking the use of that product is an anti-social activity. So remember this, business should avoid that anti-social activity and unfair trade practices. Those practices which are not fair for the trading concern are included in unfair trade practices. For example, black marketing, charging high prices, etc. The third objective of the business toward the society is generating employment opportunities. What happens? Business have to generate the employment opportunity. Together with the generating employment opportunity at national level, business has to generate the employment opportunity at local level. Next one is employee welfare. Not only generating employment opportunities the only objective of the business, but also business has to work on the welfare of the employees. Those employees which are joined the business from the very first stage, it is the duty of the business to satisfy them. So their welfare, providing proper working condition, is also the objective of the business. Last objective of the business is to provide community services. What happens? Since business has to survive in the society only, so there are certain community services which is to be provided by the business to the society. For example, opening a library, give aid to any NGO, or providing any type of social services to the society. So this is all about the objectives of the business. Do not mix it with the objectives of management. In class 12, we are having the objectives of the management. So, whenever you are preparing, do not mix the objectives of the business with the objectives of management. These are totally different. Keep on learning with these videos. Thank you very much.